Polynomial. Polynomial. Poly means many and nomial means terms. So when many terms making an algebraic expression, this is said to be a polynomial. Yes, we are discussing chapter polynomial. Okay, this is the chapter number 2, which is belongs to new NCERT syllabus. Okay, so what is polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression containing many terms which are connected by subtraction or addition. Okay, so here I have written a polynomial x square minus 5x plus 3. So here these are terms, x square, 5x and 3 are terms and they are connected by addition or subtraction here. So this is called a polynomial. And here these are coefficient 1. Coefficient of x square is what? 1. Coefficient of x is what? 5. Okay. So this is the concept of coefficient and terms. Now discuss polynomial can be divided into two parts on the basis of the terms and on the basis of the degree. So first we will discuss on the basis of the term. Okay. So on the basis of the term, polynomial can be divided into these 4 parts like on monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. When we can say a polynomial is a monomial when there is only one term in this algebraic expression, like x. X is a algebraic expression but it consists of one term only. So x is a monomial. 2y is a monomial. 2x2 is a monomial because they are individually one term in the algebraic expression. Next, binomial. What is binomial? When algebraic expression contains only 2 terms, like x plus 4, 1 and 2, 2 term only here. So that is called binomial. This is binomial. Y square minus 2. This is binomial because there is 2 terms, x cube plus 2x. X cube is one term, 2x is another term. So x cube plus 2x is a example of binomial. Next, trinomial. When we can say a polynomial is trinomial? When the algebraic expression contains 3 terms in it, x square, 2x and 2. 3 term is there, they are connected by the operation plus. So this is called trinomial. And y cube plus 2y minus y. Y cube is a term, 2y is a term, 5 is a term. Okay, so they are connected by plus and minus operation. So it is a trinomial. And what is polynomial? When the algebraic expression contains more than 3 terms. Okay, this is called polynomial. Here 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. 4 term is there. So that's why this is a polynomial. And x to the power 5 minus 3 x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 2x plus 3 is called polynomial because they are contain more than 3 terms. Okay. So next we will discuss the polynomial on the basis of degree. Okay. So first what is degree? What is degree of the polynomial? First understand this definition. What is degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial can be defined as the highest power of the variable present in the algebraic equation is called degree of the polynomial. Means if I write x to the power, suppose this formula, suppose if I take this algebraic expression, so the variable is what? Here this will be y. So variable is what? Y is there. So the variable is y and the highest power of the y is what? 3. So we can say the degree of the polynomial is 3. Okay. Suppose if I take this polynomial, the variable is x and the highest power of x is 2. So that's why the degree of this polynomial should be 2. In this case, the variable x is x. So degree of the polynomial is highest power is 5. So degree of the polynomial should be 5. So in this method we can identify, we can find out the degree of the polynomial. Am I clear? So in the next portion we will divide the polynomial on the basis of their degree. Okay. So if a polynomial is degree 1, then we can say this is linear polynomial. What? Linear polynomial when degree is 1. When degree is 1, then we can say this is linear polynomial. For example, you can say x plus 1 is a linear polynomial. You can say y minus 2 is a linear polynomial because 1 is there, highest power is 1, so degree is also 1 of this polynomial. So we can say this is linear polynomial. This is also linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So when you can say quadratic polynomial, when the degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2. Like this one. Degree of highest power is 2. So this should be a quadratic polynomial. This is not a quadratic polynomial. This should be a quadratic polynomial because highest power is 2. Y square minus 2 is a quadratic polynomial. You can say y square minus 2 is a quadratic polynomial because the highest power is 2. Okay, next comes cubic polynomial. Okay, cubic polynomial. When we can say cubic polynomial when the degree of the polynomial is 3, like this one. So here variable is y and the highest power of y is 3. So it's said to be a cubic polynomial. Okay, y cube plus 2y minus 5 is a cubic polynomial. Okay, so we understood the kinds of polynomial. Next, we will going to move the zeros of polynomial. What is zeros of polynomial? Zeros of polynomial is a value for which value the whole polynomial becomes 0. The whole polynomials become 0. This value is said to be zeros of polynomial. And number of zeros of polynomial depend on the degree of the polynomial, means highest power of the polynomial. If I say this polynomial, the highest power is 3, that means the degree of the polynomial is 3. So this polynomial should have zeros of polynomial 3. Okay. For this polynomial x square plus 2x plus 2, the degree of the polynomial is 2. So the zeros should be 2. Am I clear? If degree is 1, zeros of polynomial should be 1. If the degree is 2, zeros of polynomial should be 2. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, then zeros of polynomial should be 3. Okay. So, these are basically the concept which lie in class 9 polynomials. But in this class 10, we will continue this polynomial into the upgrade version. So thank you for today, and the next video will discuss the geometrical meaning of the zeros of polynomial.